SoFi looks moderately bullish for May, but volatility will likely stay high after strong earnings and the recent pullback caused by cautious guidance. Key levels for May. Strong support, $15.50 to $16. Key resistance, $18 to $19. A breakout above $19 could trigger a fast move toward $21 to $22. If Nasdaq weakens, SoFi could pull back to $14.50 to $15. Why investors are watching SoFi right now? The company reported record Q1 2026 results, with revenue growing more than 40% and profits doubling. Customer growth remains strong, and management reaffirmed a positive full-year 2026 outlook. However, investors expected higher guidance, which triggered a sharp sell-off after earnings. Analysts still maintain mostly hold/buy ratings with long-term targets around $21 to $26. My May outlook. Base scenario. SoFi trades between $16 to $20 with possible upside toward $21 later this month if fintech and AI-related stocks stay strong. Bullish scenario. A strong breakout above $19 could quickly push the stock toward $22 plus. Bearish scenario. If Nasdaq enters a correction, SoFi may revisit the $15 area. Follow for real market insights.